king said, "Bow or burn?" They answered, "We will not bow. And even if our God does not save us, we still will not bow." Daniel chapter 3. King Nebuchadnezzar of Babylon built a golden statue 90 feet tall. At a signal, every official in the empire was to bow before it. 3 young Hebrew men, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, refused. The king ordered the furnace heated 7 times hotter than usual. The flames killed the soldiers who threw the 3 men in. But then the king stood up from his throne. He cried out, "Did we not throw 3 men into the fire? I see 4 men walking, unbound, unharmed, and the 4th looks like a son of the gods." The king called them out. They walked from the flames. Their clothes did not smell of smoke. Their hair was not singed. And the king issued a decree: no one in his empire would speak against their God on pain of death. Subscribe for one Bible story every morning.